Hello traders and welcome back to the weekly market analysis. In this video we'll be diving into an in-depth technical analysis of the latest trends and price predictions for the week ahead, and also we'll do a short review for every pair that we analyzed last week. So let's get started with DXY. And as you can see, last week we were expecting DXY to make here a consolidation and then one more move towards the upside, then a new higher high. For this week, I'm expecting here DXY to make one more flag and a move towards the upside, and then we'll see if we'll get a deeper correction, a deeper pullback, or if the uptrend will continue making continuous higher highs before getting that bigger consolidation that we expect. So for this week, let's wait for this move to unfold, and then let's see if this will drop towards this area to make this long weighted consolidation. We also have a trend line here, this one, and we will expect the price, at least when it will get into that consolidation, to pull back at least towards this trend line, having a good chance to break it, but we'll have to take it step by step. So first things first, wait for this impulse to unfold. After this small consolidation, one more break of the top, and then we'll see if we get enough momentum to get this consolidation. So we also have some MACD divergence here. We can get continuous higher highs here. The market will lose momentum at some point, and when that happens, then I'm expecting this move to occur here. So with that being said, let's move on to EURUSD. And for EURUSD, last week we were expecting this consolidation to finish and then the price to drop one more time towards this yellow line here. So you can see that our analysis was spot on. And for the coming week, I'm expecting EURUSD here to start a deeper consolidation, maybe make another drop towards this low here to break the low one more time, and then dive into a deeper consolidation. So my bias is one more move towards the downside and then a deeper pullback. Before we move on to Pound USD, I would like to invite you guys to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel. We will bring you loads of content in the next month, so stay up to date. Also enable your notification bell so you guys could be the first to watch the video. And if you want to check out our previous analysis, head over to the link in the video description. You'll find the link over there so you can track our performance from last week. The drawings from the chart that you see when I go to every pair is from last week, but if you guys want to take a better look at our thought process from last week and also verify our analysis, you can hop on the video in the description and check it out. So with that being said, let's head over to Pound USD. And for Pound USD, similar to Euro USD, our analysis was spot on. We were expecting here this consolidation to push the price back down one more time and break the low. And for the coming week, I'm still expecting Pound USD to make here a small consolidation, drop one more time, and then dive into a deeper pullback. So let's wait for the price to break this low here. It can continue to go down like this and then make this consolidation, drop again, and then start to pull back. But as I was saying, we have to wait and see. Personally, I won't be getting into any trades here for Pound USD. I like to see if we get here a deeper consolidation, and if that happens, then personally, I would be looking for a sell setup, but it might take some time from now for this consolidation to develop. For dollar yen, as you can see, last week we were expecting the price to make a new higher high here. We didn't broke the top yet, so we just broke it. We tagged it with a wick here, but from what I can see, the price will continue to go up. Small consolidation next, one more move towards the upside. This is my forecast for dollar yen. Moving on to Australian dollar versus the US dollar, we were expecting last week this consolidation to occur and then push the price back down. We got the consolidation, but the price didn't move down and took out this low here. So for this week, I'm expecting two scenarios. Either this will develop into a deeper pullback, a messy structure here. We also have an important level to watch around this area here. So this is the first scenario, or we'll get here a drop, and then we'll start this up wave that will test this area here that I highlighted. Okay, so these are my two scenarios for Australian dollar versus the US dollar. Moving on to dollar CAD. For dollar CAD, I was expecting last week the price to consolidate and then push back up. We got the consolidation. As you can see here, the price is moving slow. This is a good indication that the market is correcting. The momentum looks like it is slowly dying out here. We can see by the look of the candles. So what I'm expecting next for USDCAD, I'm expecting here this consolidation to push back up, and then we will see if we get another drop or the price will continue to go up and break the top. But in either case, even if this drops one more time, I'm still expecting the market to push here and make a new higher high. We need this consolidation because we have this strong impulse towards the upside. And as you can see, we only got small pullbacks, consolidation flat here, another pullback, and then these are high, so the market needs to correct to make a retracement at least to the 38.2 level, or if not the 50% at some point. But we have to see if this will start now, or if the price will break the top one more time and then it will do this pullback that I'm talking about. Now let's move on to the commodities and start off with gold. For gold last week, our analysis was spot on. If you remember, I was saying to watch this level here for a reaction. As you can see, we are expecting the flag here to finish and then the price to push back down and reach this rectangular area here. So as you can see, now the price breached this level, and this is a strong wave towards the upside. So the next move for gold here is a consolidation, and if we get this consolidation, I advise you guys to wait for a bullish reaction because the next direction is towards the upside. But at the same time, we need to risk small on this one because I wanted to see here a break of this area first before engaging in any buy setups. But if this consolidation happens, if you get a sideways move or a range here, then it's safe to go with this buy if the conditions unfold. So for next week, you all know what to do. Don't risk big. If you get this correction, go with a buy setup. If you also get a reaction after the correction is over, okay? So moving on to silver. For silver last week, I was expecting the price to go down, make this consolidation here, drop one more time and reach one of these two levels. I was saying this level first, then I was saying that we might break the low as well. Instead, the price only reached the first level, and similar to gold, this one here broke this area, but we have only wicks here. We don't have a full close of the candles. So similar to gold, I would have loved to see the price going a bit more towards the upside before starting to consolidate. But the way things stand here, if we get here a sideways move, then it's safe to engage in buy setups if you get the reaction, because silver in the long run, I'm expecting this one to hit the $30 level at any point. So every buy setup that we get, we don't hesitate and take it. We don't risk big on it, so we have to be careful because this is not a clear confirmation for the upside. So we have to take it step by step for now. For crude oil, last week I was expecting the price to continue to go up after a consolidation. We only got a small pullback here. I was expecting something a bit deeper and then a move towards the upside, but even so, our bias hasn't changed. So even though this trend here is strong, I'm expecting the price to make higher highs here, but at some point, like I said, I'm expecting a pullback similar to this one. It may happen after we break this top here. It might happen after a succession of higher highs. So we have to be careful on the price action, also on the momentum, because when the price starts to make a succession of higher highs like this, then this is a signal that the momentum is dying out. So the trend could temporarily change. And in this case, we will expect a correction to happen at some point before going back up. I'm bullish on oil overall. And like I was saying, similar to USDCAD, you see we have this strong impulse here that needs to correct. We only got this consolidation here after this move up. So what I'm expecting here is the price to continue to go up and then at some point to sharply drop, or at least start a deeper consolidation. That will take some time before it will go up and reach the $100 level. Natural gas. Last week we were expecting natural gas here to make a consolidation and then push back up and take out the stops. So as you can see, we got here a pullback, then the price went up, and now it's starting to correct again after we broke here the stop. So if you want to check out the analysis, don't forget to check the link in the video description below. And for this week, I'm expecting here natural gas to make another pullback, one more move towards the upside, and sooner than later we'll most likely take out this top here. But I will warn you guys that the move here will be messy. So bear this in mind. If you don't get a clear buy setup, stay away from it because you can get caught in a complicated trade, and you don't want that. Let's move on to the stock market and let's have a look at S&P. For S&P last week, as you can see, we're expecting the price here to make a small consolidation and then drop. We got the consolidation and also we got the reaction here from this consolidation. So what next for S&P? I'm expecting here a drop, consolidation, and then another drop to take out this lower low here. Okay, so this is the next move for S&P in the coming week. For NASDAQ, I was expecting NASDAQ last week to finish this consolidation and then push back up. Instead, the price became even messier than we expected. So the scenario hasn't changed at all for this week. We still expect this drop to occur here to take out this low. And then we'll have to be careful because we will need a bullish reaction here, a strong bullish reaction followed by a consolidation if the price wants to go up. If not, then if you get here a sideways move, then this would be a good indication that the price will continue to drop. So let's focus on this drop first, and then we will check out if the price will give us a sign, okay? For Dow Jones, I was expecting a consolidation and then a drop. So as you can see from the drawings on my chart, the consolidation got a bit deeper here and then it started to drop. So for this week, I'm expecting the price to make here a consolidation and then one more drop. Okay, so this is my forecast for US 30, and as you can see, the US indexes have a similar pattern, and we expect this week a bearish week for them. Okay, for Nifty, Nifty was the only one that skyrocketed again this week. We were expecting this last week, but we wanted to see a correction first, which didn't happen, and we didn't got any trades here. So next for Nifty, as you can see here from the drawings on the MACD, well, now we have, I think we have divergence right now as we speak. So if this continues to go up, the divergence won't be there anymore. So if this happens, we won't have any divergence, but I was saying for a few weeks now, even a month or two, we need a consolidation, and this one here wasn't enough because, like I was saying, we are at an all-time high. We had this strong impulse towards the upside, then we had this drop, which is a more relatable correction for this uptrend. And what I'm expecting here, like I said, wait for the price to make a flag, one more move towards the upside, and then we'll update you later on to see if we'll go down or if we'll continue to make higher highs. Next on the list is Bitcoin. For Bitcoin, last week we were expecting the price to make a consolidation and then drop towards the 33K level. Instead, the price didn't went to our target. It made this consolidation here, as you can see. And as things stand, so last week we were expecting this here to drop and then continue to go down and then the reversal. And right now, what I can see here for Bitcoin, the structure is very messy. This could continue to go up like this and then drop, but we want to take it step by step. We won't be focusing on this for now. We'll leave Bitcoin alone for this week. So my expectation is that this will develop into something even messy than we have here. So this could go on and break the top and then drop again, make something messy like this. So there's no need to get engaged in any trades here. We have to wait and see what happens here with Bitcoin, and all the cryptos is a waiting game at the moment, so we have to be careful. So let's wait for this consolidation to see how it will develop, and then we'll make a decision to see how things will develop from here. Okay, and for Ether, last week, similar to Bitcoin, I was expecting Ether to hit this blue area that I have highlighted on the chart. The price here made the small consolidation, then dropped, only tagged this level, and then started to push back up. And for the coming week, I'm expecting Ether here to make one more move towards the upside and then potentially drop to our level. But like I was saying, similar to Bitcoin, we have to wait and see. No need to get into buys from here. The pattern is pretty messy. We all know this pattern. It drops, then it gives you the illusion that will go up, and then it drops again. So you don't want to be caught in this kind of trade. So we have to wait and see. Personally, I'll wait for this target to get hit, and afterwards I'm gonna be very bullish on all the cryptos, especially Ether and Bitcoin. So Ether has the potential to go and take out this top here located at $2,144, and this will happen in my opinion if we get a bit more downside, and then we'll possibly shoot up from there. So we have to be patient and wait what will happen next. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I wish all of you a profitable and happy trading week ahead, and don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and see you on the next one.